Hello students, today we are going to discuss some practice question based on tangent and normal. So students, first question under this category is find the equation of tangent and normal on the curve x is equal to a sine cube theta and y is equal to a cos cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. This question has been asked in CBSE 2014. Now as we know that differentiation of parametric function is done, so x is equal to a sine cube theta, so dx is 3a sine square theta into differentiation of sine, which is cos. Similarly, dy by d theta is 3a cos square theta, differentiation of cos, which is minus sine. So dividing equation 2 by equation number 1, we get dy by dx is equal to minus cot theta after cancellation of common factor. So putting theta is equal to pi by 4, it is minus 1. So slope of tangent is minus 1. Now putting theta is equal to pi by 4 in the given function, that is x and y. So we obtain value of x as a upon 2 root 2 and same for y, a upon 2 root 2, as value of cos and sine are same. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So after doing necessary simplification, equation reduces to x plus y is equal to a over root 2. Now slope of normal is negative reciprocal of slope of tangent, so it becomes 1. Point is same, so again applying y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So equation becomes x minus y is equal to 0, which is equation of normal. Now next question is very important question, and the question is find the equation of normal to the curve x square is equal to 4y passing through 1 comma 2. Now students, here point of contact is not given to us. They are saying tangent is passing through 1 comma 2, not at 1 comma 2. So this 1 comma 2 is not point of contact. This point we have to keep it in our mind. So what we should do, first of all, let us find the point of contact. So let h comma k be the point of contact. Now x square is equal to 4y, that means y is equal to x square by 4. After differentiation, y dash is equal to x by 2, and at h comma k, y dash is h by 2. So this is slope of tangent, and slope of normal will be negative reciprocal because we have to find the equation of normal. So minus 2 by h. As normal is passing through 1 comma 2, so equation of normal will be y minus y1, which is 2, is equal to m into x minus x1. Also this h comma k is point of contact, so I am putting x and y as h comma k, so that it become k minus 2 is equal to minus 2 by h into h minus 1. Now what I have to do, I have to eliminate h or k from this equation number 1, for which because h comma k is also lying on given curve, so putting h and k here, so I am getting h square is equal to 4k. So therefore putting the value of k in equation number 1, what I'll get, h square by 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 by h into h minus 1. So opening the bracket, and after simplification h cube is 8, so that h is 2, and now putting h in equation number 2, so that I am getting k as 1. So this is 2 comma 1 is point 1 intersection, so that my equation, this equation becomes y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So putting h is h as 2, so final is y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 1 or x plus y is equal to 3. So this question was important because here we didn't have any point of intersection, so we have find point of intersection ourselves. Now next is again a very good question, find the slope of tangent to the curve x is equal to t square plus 3t minus 8 and y is equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 at 2 comma minus 1. Now students, you will think what is the different thing in this question, because it's very simple. We have to find dy by dx at required point. So Let us find dx by dt and dy by dt. These are 2t plus 3 and 4t minus 2. Dividing, we get dy by dx is equal to 4t minus 2 upon 2t plus 3. Let this be question number 1. Now question arises, what is the value of t which we are going to put? For this, let us consider this point. Here x is 2 and y is minus 1. So I am putting x as 2 here. I am getting quadratic equation. I am solving this by middle term splitting. So I am getting t as minus 5 and t as 2. Similarly, I am putting y as minus 1. Again, I am getting quadratic equation, which after middle term splitting, it becomes t is equal to 2 and minus 1. Now friends, t is equal to 2 is common to both solution. So that value we will accept and other values of t we will reject. This is the main point of this question. So as t is 2 common to both x and y, so putting t is equal to 2 in dy by dx, that is in equation number 1. So 4 into 2 minus 2, which is 8 minus 2, which is 6, and 2 into 2 plus 3, which is 4 plus 3, 7. So 6 by 7 is the required slope. So that's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.